down flat like this. If I show you on the spine, sorry for coming out of the picture there for a second, but your pelvis, you know, if you arch this way, I'm arching this way, no, I'm flattening out like that. Sorry, Lonnie. Your back against the table or the support or whatever you're using. I don't want you arching up like this, and that's going to be the tendency because the muscles are working really hard and they sometimes don't have enough strength to hold you down flat like this. If I show you on the spine, sorry for coming out of the picture there for a second, but your pelvis, you know, if you arch this way, I'm arching this way, no, I'm flattening out like that. Sorry, Lonnie. I told her that I won't be standing up, and now I'm standing up. Okay, so when I'm on the mat, if I put my hand under here, you're actually trying to squish the hand. You're flattening out your back against it. So, I think I stated that enough. All right. The next one we're going to do is a side crunch. This is one I like to do. It's easy to do. I'm going to do it on this side because I don't want to get my mic. So you're going to lay on your side like this, and you're going to put what is good to do is actually, you put your hand like right here, and you're going to lift up like this. I actually put this hand here, again, not pulling on the neck, but just in the right position. You can even put it on the temple, and you're going to lift up like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Really gets your obliques, really works it well. And it's not that hard to do. I mean, you can start off on the lower end here. I really like that one. And I really, and of course, you're going to want to do it on both sides so you even out. Or as Brad likes to say, so you don't walk in a circle. See, Brad, I can still do your joking when you're not here. All right, next one we're going to do is flutters. Now, I've noticed with these, I've been a little bit shocked that my hamstrings are tighter than I thought. I stretch my hamstrings every day, but I'm not able to do this with my legs completely straight for all the way up. It seems like they kind of bend a little bit. But what you can start with is with your hands even underneath your butt to make these a little easier. And what you do is you're doing flutters like this. And if that's too hard, you can even go a little smaller range like this. But if you start to get better, you can put your hands back here, and that makes it a little bit harder yet. Again, length of these, I just count to 35 when I do these. I don't know why. It just seems like when I hit 35, I'm really starting to hurt, and that's usually when I stop. So those are flutters. Again, pick out the ones you like and do those, and eliminate the ones you don't like. That's just as simple as it can get. All right. The next one is what we call the dead bug. And what you're going to be doing is moving your arms like this, and then at the same time, you're moving your legs. So you're going like this. So you're getting a good core workout, and you're working the upper and lower abdominals, and you look silly, to be honest with you, on that one. But it actually is a good one to do. Again, I do like 35. I like to pick to the point where I just seem to start to really fatigue, and then I stop at that point. All right, here I'm going to flip over onto my stomach now for a couple here. All right, this one is again, I'm assuming that as a beginner, this is going to be a little more difficult for you, so you can just start off with a plank like this. And then to make it a little harder, if this starts to get too easy, you can actually go up to your feet, and you can actually go back and forth. This actually is a little bit difficult, believe it or not. To me, it's harder than just doing a plank. Just holding like this. And it's a good alternative for someone who's a beginner, because they can start off in the knee and then go to the toes and then back and forth. All right, where am I at now? Oh, raise up to the sides. On this one, again, you're going to get on your knees, and you're on your side like this. And you're going to go ahead and just raise up like this. Now this one, interestingly enough, Brad has spondylolisthesis. And this one bothers him. He says actually any of the plank exercises bother him. But I think in most instances, people with back pain, this won't be a problem. And you really start to feel it right here on your obliques. Works out really well for that. And again, you're going to want to even things out. I'm going to take my breath here. I'm going to go to the other side. Okay. The next one is what we call mountain climbers. I'm going to do like a modified version of this. This is one that a lot of people, I mean, you can do it actually. I'm just going to do it like this. You know, bend up your arms like this, and you're going to go ahead and bend forward like this. You can also do them like this. But again, I just like to, this is a little bit easier to do. And you can even do a few like these in a row. And you can get a little more of a burn that way. Am I staying straight, Lonnie? Okay. Felt like I was getting a little crooked there. All right. The last one, this one isn't that difficult either. You're just going to get yourself in this position here, and you can just go ahead and do some leg lifts like this. A good one for working on the core, and yet you're getting some lower abdominal work out there too. All right, so those are the 10. Now let's discuss the ones that you should never do. And as much as this information is out there, I still see people doing this. In fact, I was watching a video of someone else doing abdominal exercises, and she actually had recommended one of these, and I was really shocked. So, all right, the 3. First one is, I never want you doing full sit-ups. I mean, what you don't realize is this position right here, there was a scientist called Dawkinson, and he measured the stress on your back and the discs. When your back is in this position and kind of loaded, which it is right now, compression, and the forces were unbelievable. It's really hard on your back. So you never want to do full sit-ups like this. And you certainly never want to do where you take actually extra weight, which I've seen some people do, put weight on here and lift up like this. Very, very hard on your back. Now, if you want to make it worse, then you actually do a full sit-up to the opposite knee, like this. Bending and twisting puts even more stress on your discs. So that's really going to tear up your discs and make them, if you want to have back pain, that is a thing you want to try. You go ahead and go up to this knee, and then go up to this knee. The other one, the third one that I want you doing is, I see people, I can't even do these to some extent, but they're doing stuff like this. They're moving their arms and legs with their back in this bent position. I don't care how straight your back is, it's still putting a huge amount of stress on the back. So, avoid those 3 at all costs, and even the other ones, if they bother you, make sure that, there's plenty of other ones to try. Don't do any that hurt your back. All right, Brad will be back on the next video. Thanks for watching.
When your psoriasis is bad, it can be hard to see what's possible, but the possibilities become clear with Taltz, the first and only treatment of its kind offering a chance at 100% clear skin. With Taltz, up to 90% of those with moderate to severe psoriasis saw a significant improvement of their psoriasis plaques. Some even saw 100% clear skin. Don't use if you're allergic to Taltz. Before starting, get checked for tuberculosis. Increased risk of infections and lower ability to fight them may occur. Tell your doctor about infections, symptoms, or if inflammatory bowel disease symptoms develop, worsen, or if you've had a vaccine or plan to. Serious allergic reactions can occur. See the possibilities. Ask your doctor about Taltz.
More than a blogger, an influencer. With the help of Bluehost's powerful tools and expert advice, don't just make a website, make an impact. Bluehost, the perfect place to WordPress.
Come on in, everybody.
They're coming in by the thousands,
Yeah.
Bob.
All right. Want to stand or sit? We're going live on Facebook, and we're also doing a rebroadcast on YouTube. Hi, everybody. I'm Bob, physical therapist.
Brad Annie, physical
Together
therapist.
we have the most famous physical therapist on the internet.
In our opinion, of course.
Today,
Bob.
Brad, we're going to go over 7 simple exercises to get in shape fast. Nobody has time to work out anymore, do they?
Exactly.
So
Yeah,
we're going to show exercises that are all encompassing. These are exercises that use the large muscles and use almost every muscle of the body, so you're going to get in shape faster.
And you're going to burn more calories.
Right.
It's just an efficient way to go.
And you're going to get some cardio out of this, too.
Exactly. We're going to show you how to do them properly.
Yeah. By the way, if you are new to our channel, if you're over on YouTube and watching this right now, watching the rebroadcast, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. Subscription button is here usually. And if you're not on Facebook, if you're on YouTube, head over to Facebook and like us, because Brad and I have severe psychological issues and we need to be liked. So let's go and get started, Brad. Let's go with this first one. You know, first it's just good to warm up a little bit, Brad, just to, you know, get the body moving here, just legs moving, arms moving, get things moving.
You're doing good, Bob.
All right.
You're real good.
And then we're going to go into this is what I always do before I do my weightlifting, Brad, is I do some jumping jacks.
Yeah.
I know this is old school, but it's a good exercise.
It is.
You're working arms and legs.
Right.
And if you want to make them hard, you can go arms straight out, not bent.
Right. Oh, yeah.
And then you can also do this one. This is a little more coordinating one here.
Oh, yeah.
I think this is more of an aerobics one, isn't it, Brad?
It is. But it is a good one. You have the shoulders working.
You hear my breathing?
Yeah.
I'm breathing harder.
No.
So that's number 1. Number 2, Brad's going to do, and that's push-ups.
Right. Do push-ups on the floor. I'm going to do them up here so we get a better view.
By the way, Brad, I forgot to mention, with all these, there's no equipment needed. And that's what we're not, yeah, show the first.
Out of my way, Bob. We're going to get some good view. This is a good way to start if you haven't done a lot of push-ups. You know, the ones on the knees. Okay? And then as that gets better, you can change your hand position. This changes which muscle groups you're using the fibers of different muscles. Okay? This should not be painful. If it hurts your shoulders to do one of these this way or that way, don't do it. Then we're going to just stand
Dito ba exercise ka?
push-up. And we'll
Okay na ba?
do those.